Wanted to talk to you real quick about one of the plants that we grow that we really love, and that is honeyberry. Okay, it goes by other names as well: blueberry, honeysuckle, haskap, etc. And we really love honeyberry for several reasons. The number one reason is that it's easy to grow. Number two, it doesn't need any special amendments. Okay, for example, like blueberry, that really likes more acidic soil than what we have here in North Idaho. So we grow honeyberry basically in place of blueberry because it has a similar taste. We really like it. You know, it doesn't taste exactly like blueberries, but it is very similar, and it doesn't require all that finicky, you know, you don't have to add sulfur and all this other stuff. So we really like it. So I want to show you the plant real quick. We have, let's see, 4 or 5 different cultivars here on our property of honeyberry, and we are just sold on basically growing things that want to grow here instead of things that we have to amend and continuously tweak in order for them to produce. Okay, there's a look at our honeyberry plant right here. This guy doing really well over in that corner. It gets really early morning sun, which it is right now, and it also gets late afternoon sun. Yeah, I don't know if that's ideal, but obviously that honeyberry is doing very well in that location. It is reported that honeyberry will also do really well in part shade, and even in some cases will produce well in heavy shade. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, so let's take a look at this plant. I kind of come at this angle because of the sun, and you can see it's just prolific. It's been in the ground here for 2 years, and let's see if we can take a look at so there's kind of a ripe, there we go, ripe honeyberry in here. Okay, you can see these, you know, this plant produces something about the length of my fingernail there. You know, so it's got probably the volume of your typical average size blueberry, but it is really quite excellent. It's sweet. It's maybe a little bit more sour than a blueberry. And kind of the stages, you can see, let's see, these guys there right in my hand. That's, you know, obviously not ripe. Then it kind of moves to this stage here where it's this light purple. I don't know if you can see that very well. And then it goes to that deep blue, dark purple stage, you know, from here down to there. Okay, so let me grab one of each. All right, sacrificing a few honeyberry here. There we go. So hopefully that is better. You can see that. There's the stages. So unripe, partially ripe, and then ripe. And really good flavor, good taste. Not quite a blueberry as far as, you know, the exact taste, but I think I like it better, actually. And, you know, a lot of the blueberries that you find in stores, they're flavorless, you know. So when you compare it to that, this is fantastic. But if you get a really good blueberry with good flavor, it's going to be slightly different than a honeyberry. Honeyberry has its own unique taste. But it is an excellent for blueberry just due to the fact that it is way less finicky than a blueberry. At least that's been our experience. So let me know if your experience is different, or if you know, you found some particulars in your area about growing honeyberry. And if you would, please like, subscribe to our channel, share, comment, you know, whatever you can to kind of help us out in that realm. Much appreciated.